Welcome, today in front of me Honor X7 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Now we'll tap here to show more, and here we can see full volume panel section. Just to change to mute our device ringtone, we should hold and swipe this white dot on the left side with our finger. But also we can make it by the second way. Just first we should be sure that in default volume button control we have selected the ringtone, and now just by press to the down volume button we can also mute ringtone of our device, and we can make it by the third way just by press up or down volume button and then with our finger slide to the down this volume panel, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.